Vecchi Quiz. Guess, learn, and explore. Hey, explorers! I'm Vecchi, your guide on this epic space journey. Ready to tackle mind-blowing questions and uncover the secrets of the universe? Let's dive into the stars and start our adventure on Quiz Journey. Let's go. The challenge awaits. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. That's a giant leap, my friend. Well done. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, larger than all the other planets combined. Let's see if you can guess this one. What was the name of the first satellite launched into space? Sputnik 1. That's the first step into the space age. Great job. Sputnik 1 was the first satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957, marking the start of the space race. Truly historic. Let's see if you can ace the next one. Which layer protects us from solar radiation? Ozone layer. That's your shield from the sun's wrath. Awesome. The ozone layer absorbs most of the harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, protecting life on Earth. Science is cool, isn't it? Here comes another exciting one. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars, the Red Planet strikes again. Well played. Mars is known as the Red Planet due to iron oxide on its surface, giving it a reddish appearance. What a fiery world. Get ready for the next cosmic challenge. How many planets are there in our solar system? Eight. That's a simple but correct answer. Our solar system has 8 planets after Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Can you tackle the next question? What is the name of the closest star to Earth? The Sun. Well done. You're on fire. The Sun is the closest star to Earth and the primary source of light and energy for our planet. Ready for the next challenge? Who was the first human to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Nice work. Neil Armstrong was the first human to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. Next up, let's go! What is the name of the belt located between Mars and Jupiter? Asteroid belt. Great job! The asteroid belt contains millions of space rocks and separates the inner and outer planets in our solar system. Next up, let's go. Which planet is famous for its prominent rings? Saturn, you're on fire. Saturn is known for its stunning icy rings, making it one of the most recognizable planets. Let's keep going. Next question. What was the name of the spacecraft that sent the first direct images of Pluto? New Horizons. Amazing job. New Horizons sent the first clear images of Pluto in 2015, significantly enhancing our knowledge of the dwarf planet. Next up, let's go. What is the fastest man-made object? Parker Solar Probe. You're unstoppable. The Parker Solar Probe is the fastest man-made object, reaching speeds of over 430,000 miles per hour near the Sun. Ready for more? Let's go! Which planet has the longest day compared to Earth days? Venus. Incredible! A day on Venus is longer than its year, taking 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis. Let's keep it up. Next question. What is the name of the galaxy we belong to? Milky Way. You're doing great! Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains billions of stars and planets, including our solar system. Ready for the next one? Let's go! What is the primary gas in the Sun's atmosphere? Hydrogen! You nailed it! The Sun is composed mainly of hydrogen, which fuses into helium through nuclear fusion. Let's keep the momentum going. Next question. Which planet has the tallest mountain in the solar system? Mars! You're crushing it! Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, standing about 22 kilometers high. On to the next one. Let's go. What is the name of the rover that landed on Mars in 2021? Perseverance. You're on fire. Perseverance landed on Mars in 2021 to explore the possibility of life and collect rock samples. Let's keep going. Ready for the next challenge? What is the name of the largest moon in the solar system? Ganymede. You're on a roll. Ganymede, a moon of Jupiter, is the largest moon in the solar system and bigger than Mercury. On to the next one. Let's go. Which planet has the strongest winds in the solar system? Neptune. You're killing it. Neptune experiences the strongest winds, reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, making its weather extreme. Next one's coming. Let's keep going. What causes the phenomenon of the auroras? Solar winds. You got it. Auroras occur when charged particles from solar winds collide with Earth's atmosphere. Next up, let's go. Which planet appears blue due to methane in its atmosphere? Neptune! Fantastic job! Neptune's blue color is caused by the presence of methane in its atmosphere. That's it for today. You've completed all the questions. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing journey through space. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you want to keep exploring and learning more, I'd love for you to be with me on the next adventure. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to explore next, and I'll bring you more exciting questions and facts.